Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to share on how to cook stir-fried black pepper sausage. The ingredients need to be prepared are sausage. Slice one part the sausage into four like this. 3 different colors of capsicums, onion, chopped garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and cooking oil. For the first step, I'm going to heating up the oil. And fry the chopped garlic. And I will add the other ingredients as well to fry together. As for the next step, I will add in the sausage together and fry it as well, mixed with the other ingredients. Lastly, I will add all the seasonings inside. The dish is already cooked and ready to serve. And this simple dish is very easy to cook. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. See you again for the next episode on the ResepKik channel. Bye bye.